Got a brand new one for the YouTube today, you guys. We're at the Grill and Chill car show. Happens every year here in Spokane, Washington. I'm out here representing Locomotion. It's my car club, and I'm coming straight out of Bakersfield, California. This is my car club lineup. And some potential car club members are also in the lineup. They're not official yet, but we got another car club passing by there. What's up, Bess? What's up, homie? Hey, what's up? That's the CJ. Oh, what's up, player? We got Homie's Car Club. That was Homie's Car Club here in Spokane, Washington. Now I'm gonna bring it back. This is Locomotion. Locomotion Car Club, Spokane, Washington.
Is there water in there? Before you go, thank you. Oh, you did? Yeah.
Back to Locomotion. That Bel Air was not Locomotion. If it doesn't have a Locomotion car club plaque, it's most likely not from Locomotion. So if I get one of them on the video, excuse the video, you guys, you know what it is. Locomotion down to the ice cream trucks. Like I said, there's some guys here in this lineup that are potential members or waiting to be members, waiting to get their plaque. So if they don't have a plaque, like I said, excuse the video, but for the most part, this is the Locomotion Car Club lineup. This car yesterday, you guys, won best paint at a car show. Locomotion Car Club. This gentleman here is a possible member. He's here checking it out. Check out that steering wheel. That's OG stuff. That's OG. And I like this car. I like it a lot. Grand Marquis. Clean. You see the Lincoln Town cars a lot, but nobody really does these, or the Grand Marquis. And this is a hot one, man. I really like this car. And this one too. He's another potential member. He's in the talks of becoming a member. Throwing that on some smaller spokes and switches. And that's a bad mother sucker right there, you guys. Clean, clean, clean. I love this car. My dad had one when I was young growing up. It wasn't a Marquise, he had a Lincoln Town Car, so but it looked like this. You know, it was this body style and some damn looking to build one. Best paint at the car show. The homie Cordell Drake from Locomotion Car Club here in Spokane. Check out that steering wheel, you guys. El Rey on the knockoff, center knockoff. This one's clean, you guys. Clean interior. This car yesterday took coolest interior trophy at the car show here in Spokane, Washington. Once again, Locomotion Car Club. Buddy Damien, shout out to him. He always helps me out with my lowriders. Damn, did you guys see that shine? Let's see that shine. Damn, man. Damien. There it is, my guy. Got purple Kush. Got Ryan in the house. It's his wife's car. He acts like it's his, but it ain't his. To the gray vinyl top, I like that. Interior's clean, wood grain. Might get a splinter. Let me show you guys what it is. We got El Presidente in the house, and you already know how he feels about you. He don't give a fuck. Tony in the house. With the mascot. We got Team Money in the building. Locomotion Car Club, Spokane, Washington. We at the grill and chill. Stay tuned for my next video. This park is surrounded by cars, by lowriders. Stay tuned for the next video. We're gonna get some footage.